A goat slips and tumbles down a steep riverbank, plunging into a raging river, certain death if it can't escape. The furious currents batter the struggling animal as it fights to climb the slick, muddy bank. With each desperate attempt, it inches closer to safety, only to lose its grip and crash back into the torrent. Again and again, it battles the relentless current until finally, with one last determined effort, it claws its way to the top. But in true goat fashion, before making its next move, it pauses to snack on some grass.